Just be drawing. Right. So clear how I written these characteristics here, real and inverted, enlarged. So real image on the screen already given, right? Inverted, because here height of the image is given negative. So negative symbol if you measure below the principal axis. Is it clear how I written inverted it is? Anybody? Right. So inverted because of negative sign in the height of image. Then enlarged, height of the image is greater than h naught. 6 is greater than 4. That's why. So like this, we are selecting the characteristics. Any objection here? Any issue in the problem? If nothing, just use your response. So problem is very clear. How to solve? Abhinay. Abhinay. Okay.
So clear, sir.
Right. Rohit, Surajita, Tejasvi, Sricharan. Clear everyone? Right. Thank you. So next topic for us is, it is about making of solar cooker. Right? Making of solar cooker. So for this purpose, we need to have an idea. What happens if the light rays are converted before or reflection, by the reflection. So for that, just I am using the ray diagram here. What happens if you incident a parallel beam of light rays on the concave mirror? Anybody answer me? Anybody? Answer me here. What happens if I instant parallel beam of light rays on the concave mirror? R1 behavior parallel to the principal axis after reflection. It passes through the focus. Right? So all are going to be converged at a common point or not? Yes or no? Is it correct? In lab activity, that burning of paper or focusing sunlight on the paper. Activity 2. Activity 2. Are you following me? Right. So here you will obtain a sharp image. If you keep a paper at this spot, what happens? It starts burning after some time. It starts burning. Why it is starting to burn? Because here at this spot, right, light rays are going to be converged, especially from this point, right? After this diverges also, that is second issue. So here all are going to be converged or not here? Converging point. So here at this converging point, what happens? Heat produce. Heat will be produced because of what? Converging point or diverging point? Anybody answer? Because of converging point or diverging point?
Converging point.
Right. If you place any object here, that will be gets heated. That will be gets heated. Right. So using this, you are preparing the solar cooker. So what to use to make a solar cooker? Mirror or not? We have to use a mirror. Which type of mirror? Concave or convex? To get a converging point. To get a
Concave.
So concave mirror is giving you converging of light rays. So at this spot, you are able to produce heat by the converging of light rays. So this is the working principle of solar cooker. Right? This is working principle of solar cooker. if you put a vessel at a point where you can choose the position to place the object to make it heat or hot, cooking vessel, ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి మనం? హీట్ కావాలంటే where you choose the position for the vessel at converging point. So at this spot only you have to place the object and it will produce heat due to this heat energy produced by converging rays, right? Vessel gets heated. Vessel gets heated. Is it clear, everyone? How the solar cooker is working? How the solar cooker is working? Due to the converging of light rays, heat will be generated. This is the working principle of solar cooker. So this method you are following in making of solar cooker. So one of genius scientists used this technique, right? Who is that? Archimedes. Who used Archimedes this technique to burn ships of opposite warriors in the war. Who used? Archimedes is used. Archimedes is used the technique to burn ships, right? Archimedes burned ships using what logic? This logic only. Do you got clarity? How the scientists burned, right? Using the converging of light rays, using the converging of light rays. So what mirrors he may used? Scientist Archimedes. Which mirrors he may used? Answer. Which mirrors he may used?
Concave mirror.
Yes. Suppose if he has only plain mirrors, how he can burn? By using plain mirrors. Can anybody answer using plain mirrors how to produce a heat? I gave you only plain mirrors to produce heat energy. How do you? Here you have to arrange that plain mirrors in the shape of concave mirror, right? That means suppose you have 3 mirrors, right? So what the light is focused on them, that must be reach one common point after reflection from the mirrors. So this spot will produce the heat energy, gets heated. So how to arrange them? In the concave mirror shape. Many pieces of plain mirrors will be arranged in the shape of concave mirror. Then you can produce converging of light rays after reflection, produce heat energy. Is it clear? Or any confusion? Use your response. Okay. So let us go for another topic here. That is uses of spherical mirrors. Uses of spherical mirrors. So here spherical mirrors are how many types? There are 2 types or more than, which are called as spherical mirrors. Which are known to be spherical mirrors? Answer. Rohit. Rohit, are you there? Tejaswini. Spherical mirrors. Concave mirror and convex mirror, right? These 2 are known as spherical mirrors. So first of all, I will give you the uses of concave mirror, right? So concave mirror is used in vehicle headlights. Do you find vehicle headlights, concave mirror, where it is available? So look at here. So I'm showing you the headlight. So behind the bulb, you have one surface like this behind the bulb, right? So this is what concave mirror. Do you see in your bike's headlights? Anyone? Respond. Okay. So just observe your bike headlights. You will find this one, right? So this is concave mirror, right? Then second one is concave mirror is used in the shaving mirrors. Why specially it is mentioned as shaving mirrors? So to see their beard as large, enlarged image. So concave mirror form virtual enlarged image when you place the object between P and F. So they can see their beard as large comparing with the plain mirror. If you keep plain mirror very near, you cannot see that image. It becomes large when you keep it very near, but it is hard to see, right? So that's why concave mirror is used as shaving mirror. Then we'll go for third one here. That is simply used in the telescope. In the telescope, actually, sir, we are using lenses. Why you are mentioning about the concave mirror, sir? To see that enlarged image after getting the image from the lens, right? So here, when the object is very far from you, it will give you diminished image. To make it magnify, again, we are using the concave mirror. So where we can arrange that, look at here. Look at here. After reflection, you are getting the image on here. So you can observe that image on the concave mirror. So in the telescopes, we are using concave mirror to obtain enlarged virtual image. Enlarged virtual image, right? So this is. Then next we will go for the fourth use of concave mirror. It is used by a dentist as a dental mirror. So ENT doctors or dentists, they can use to see the teeth. Directly, you are able to see inside of the teeth, inner surface. So that's why they can use what? Mirror to see inside. So they can put a mirror in your mouth. They can see the teeth clearly on the mirror. So this mirror is what here? Concave mirror. Then it is also used as searchlight. What? To focus, to concentrate on one area. That light will be focused on one area. So in the searchlights, we can use that concave mirror to reflect and becomes parallel to each other or will be focused in very narrow area. Then we'll go for the next use. It is by the microscopes, applicable to the microscopes to see the what we are observing through microscopes, that organism is enlarged. So here in the microscopes, we can use, see here, where is concave mirror, right? So they can see here also concave mirror, right? So this will be observed through the eyepiece, right? So this way they can use the concave mirror. So many uses are there. I'm giving only few of them. In the torchlights also we can use. See here, this concave surface behind the bulb, you observe this surface is what? Concave. This is only act as reflecting surface called concave mirror. It is also used in solar cookers. Already I shown you. So now I'm using especially solar cooker daily life. So here look at this. Acrylic sheets are used in the shape of a satellite, that a dish, right? So this is in the concave shape. When the light is focused on it, that will be reflect and focused at a common point. So at this place, you are using your vessel to keep. That will be gets heated due to converging of light rays. So like this, you are making the solar cooker. Is it clear now, everyone, how to make solar cooker? Have you seen the solar cooker, how it will be? Like this, they can build a solar cooker. So make a project using the mirrors, how to build your own solar cooker, right? So try it. Okay. Then next use is, it is used in solar furnaces. We cannot see this. It is also available in our country, such where it is available solar furnaces. To produce heat energy, they can use these mirrors in the concave shape, and they can use that heat energy produced in the reactions. Right? Furnace is used in chemical reaction, pyrochemical process. Pyrochemical process means heat relevant process. Large amount of heat is required. So freely they are producing heat energy by using these concave mirrors. Right? So they are called as solar furnaces. Then we will go for another type of mirror, that is concave mirror, sorry, convex mirror uses. So it is used in the vehicles. So already we discussed about vehicles, but it is in the headlights. Now about a side mirror. So here see, in the cars, we can use this mirror in front of the driver to see the behind the vehicles, right? So they can see the virtually objects virtually in the mirror. So what mirror is this? Concave mirror. It can show you, sorry, convex mirror, not concave, convex mirror. Convex mirror always give you diminished image, right? Virtual image, diminished virtual image. So that's why you are able to see heavy vehicles also in the small mirror. If you use this size of a plain mirror, you cannot see the complete car. To see the complete car, you need to move away from the object. But without moving, you are able to see at any distance complete vehicle in the mirror. So that is convex mirror speciality. Diminished virtual image. The next use is, it is used as reflector in a street lamps. So in the street lamps, they can arrange the convex mirror to spread out in the surroundings. So diverging the light rays, it can diverge the light rays. In the street lamps, we can use. Then it is also used as vigilance mirror. So that security guard, that entire area observing is different. So he need to rotate his head continuously. So it is difficult for us. So what they can do, they can arrange a mirror and they can see large area in the smaller mirror. Which mirror is this? Convex mirror. So large area will be covered in the small mirror. So that is convex mirror, right? Then we'll go for another use is in ATMs, we can use a security mirror for us. So we can see who are moving behind us. See, small mirror is arranged on the screen, just above that monitor. So that mirror is what? Convex mirror. So you can see behind you without turning your head. So the movements of a behind person you can observe. So this is the use of mirror in the ATM centers. Then it is also used as anti-theft meter in the shops, right? So many people will come together into the supermarkets. They can move around that. So you are unable to observe a single person always. So if you observe only one person, what about the others? They may move randomly. So to observe everyone clearly, they can arrange the mirror in front of them. So they can see every movement of person at a time. So this is the use of convex mirror. Are you clear? Have you seen that practically how you are using that mirrors in your daily life? Can you visualize them? What's feeling, choose a feeling? Give me a response. So with this topic, I completed first lesson to you. First lesson అయిపోయింది. ఎవరికి ఏమైనా డౌట్ వచ్చిందా? Please give me your response by speaking, right? By speaking individually. Abhinay, how you felt?
Sir, no doubt, sir. I understood this lesson very clear.
So is it completely different from your school or not?
Yes, sir.
బాగా అనిపించిందా? ఎట్లా అనిపించింది నువ్వే చెప్పాలి.
సార్ స్కూల్లోనేమో ఇట్లా బోర్డు మీద రాసి ఇక్కడ మీరు బై డీటెయిల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసారు.
సో దేని వల్ల బెనిఫిట్ అనిపించింది నీకు?
సార్
దేంట్లో బెనిఫిట్ అనిపించింది? హౌ యూ ఫీల్ విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈజియర్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్? ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్లైన్?
సార్ ఇప్పుడు సార్ ఆన్లైన్ కూడా అర్థమవుతుంది సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పినాక.
right? Online also easy to understand, but methods is important in explanation. Okay. So first lesson, everything is clear. ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ రికార్డెడ్ క్లాస్ చూసుకోండి. డౌట్ ఉంటే మెసేజ్ కూడా పెట్టొచ్చు. ఐ విల్ రెస్పాండ్ యూ ఇన్ మై ఫ్రీ టైం. ఓకే, నౌ యూ కెన్ లీవ్. అభినయ్ ఉంటే ఉండొచ్చు, నీ ఇష్టం. శ్రీచరణ్, హౌ యూ ఫీల్? One
Sir.
complete.
Revision of this lesson completed, sir, for PSA.
రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఎట్లా అనిపించింది? బాగుందా?
Yes, sir.
Have you felt a practical experience?
Yes, sir. Practically. Very nice, sir, explanation.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. సురాజిత,
సార్
9th నుంచి 10th పోయినట్టు అనిపిస్తుందా?
సార్ అనిపిస్తుంది.
ఓకే, కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఏమైనా డిఫికల్ట్ అనిపిస్తున్నాయా?
సార్ నో.
ఒక్కసారి 10th బుక్ చదువు, అప్పుడు నీకు ఈజీ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, జస్ట్
Okay, sir.
న్యూస్ పేపర్ రీకాల్.
ఓకే
ఓకే,
ఓకే.
మిస్టర్ రోహిత్, నువ్వు చెప్పాలి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంది మీ స్కూల్ కి నాకు డిఫరెన్స్.
ప్రాక్టికల్ చేయించినట్టు.
రైట్, ప్రాక్టికల్ గా ఉన్నట్టే ఉందా మీతోటి?
డిజిటల్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి కాబట్టి ఇంకా అర్థమైంది.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. తేజస్విని, 9th లో ఉన్నట్టుందా 10th లో ఉన్నట్టుందా?
10th లో ఉన్నట్టుంది సార్.
So once read the textbook, what you learned, time pass automatically you will recall the all concepts. Okay,
Sure.
so tomorrow we'll start second lesson. If you are anybody interested, tell them to join from tomorrow, new candidates. That is only second batch I announced. Okay, unte cheppandi.
Okay.
So
Sir,
they
we
will
start the
second lesson. I'll explain them first lesson separately. ఓకే, రికార్డెడ్ కాదు, వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, బట్ అదర్ టైం. ఓకే, రైట్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్. విల్ లీవ్ నౌ. యూ కెన్ లీవ్ నౌ. ఐ విల్ క్లోజ్ ద మీటింగ్.